Welcome to DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely high-spec Golf GTD. Okay, so it starts in black. It's got active cruise control, front park distance control, upgraded gloss black alloy wheels, black pack round the car, all around the windows, privacy glass. Got a little bit of extra body styling skirt at the bottom there and round the back. Quad exhaust on this one. Rear parking sensors, has got a rear wiper delete. As you can see, for black it's absolutely gleaming. Lovely condition. Drives ever so well, very economical. Boot area is all lovely condition. Got the rear parcel shelf. It's got the usual Golf GTD checkered interior, patterned interior I should say. It's just got to be fully valeted. It hasn't even been valeted yet, this car. I've just literally had it arrive. We've had a few inquiries, so I thought we'd get it pre-advertised. It's got auto headlights, 111,314 miles. Starts on the button. Lovely flat bottom steering wheel, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel. It's got 3-stage heated seats, 6-speed gearbox, park distance control front and rear, satellite navigation, big option on these, media pack, Bluetooth connectivity, different driving modes, eco, normal, sport, individual, centre armrest. So it's clean, even though it hasn't been fully valeted yet. When it's valeted, it looks absolutely superb. At DJH, we provide full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.